Have you ever tried an electric toothbrush? In dental care, an electric toothbrush is a new norm. It is considered one of the easiest and best ways to maintain oral health. They are either battery operated or rechargeable and are said to be an ideal choice for cleaning plaque. Experts say that electric toothbrushes also ensure healthier gums and prevent tooth decay. We have curated a list of the best electric toothbrushes in India for you, counting factors such as comfort, movement, head type, grip, battery and cleaning modes. Check out the list to choose the best toothbrush for you. The first one being MI Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush T100 for adults with Dual Pro mode. MI's electric toothbrush ensures gentle cleaning and is easy to maintain. Priced at ₹549, it has a long-lasting battery for up to 30 days. It has soft bristles and the brush offers 18,000 vibrations per minute for effective cleaning. The toothbrush has low operation noise and comfortable grip. The second one being Agro Light Sonic Electric Toothbrush. This produces 38,000 vibrations per minute and offers 6 cleaning modes. It can be charged within 4 hours and has a battery life of up to 25 days. The interdental brush design makes sure effective and deep cleaning. The brush is priced at ₹698. The third one being Oral-B Vitality 100 Toothbrush. One of the popular dental care brands, the rechargeable Oral-B electric toothbrush has a battery life of up to 8 hours. It has a 2-minute timer that offers 360-degree cleaning. After every 30 seconds, it will remind you to switch sides. Priced at ₹949, it's an ideal choice for deep teeth cleaning. The fourth one being Agro Plus Electric Toothbrush. If you have sensitive teeth, this is a perfect choice for you. It has powerful sonic vibration technology and provides 40,000 strokes per minute. The interdental brush head can remove food items stuck between teeth. This can be charged with a USB charging cable. The battery life is up to 25 hours and the price is ₹1,576. The fifth one being Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 4300. This brush is gentle on teeth and gums while cleaning. Equipped with the Sonicare Sonic technology, it delivers 62,000 brush head movements per minute and offers up to 7 times more plaque removal when compared to manual toothbrushes. The pressure sensor will vibrate when applied too much pressure. Battery life is 2 weeks per single charge. The only con is that the brush is a little expensive. The price is ₹3,648. The sixth one being Oral-B CrossAction Toothbrush. Battery operated Oral-B CrossAction Toothbrush has 2 cleaning options. It features a rotating power head with crisscross bristles. It has a soft grip and is priced reasonably at ₹449. The seventh one being Colgate Clinical Automatic Toothbrush. The electric toothbrush from Colgate has antibacterial and soft bristles that produce 20,000 strokes per minute for effective cleaning. It's a lightweight with replaceable head, quiet operation and comfortable usage. The price is ₹749. The eighth one being Healthsense Clean Care Rechargeable Sonic Electric Toothbrush. The electric brush from the Indian brand Healthsense has 5 dynamic modes. It comes with dust covers and smart indicators to show different levels of charging. Lightweight, comfortable and convenient, it is compatible with a power bank, adapter and PC. The brush is priced at ₹798. The ninth one, Realme N1 Sony Toothbrush. It's an antibacterial end-rounded bristles will help keep your mouth germ-free and prevent injuries. It has 3 cleaning modes for your convenience. This water-resistant brush can be charged using the Type-C port. Battery life is 130 days. Made with skin-friendly material, it is priced at Rs 1026. So this was all the information that you need to have about the dental care and electric toothbrushes. To watch more such exciting news, do watch and subscribe to channelime.com. We also have our editions in Tamil, Malayalam and Hindi languages. See you soon for more exciting news.